Hello, friends and neighbors. Dustin Dryer Vents here, owner-operator of Dad's Dryer Vent Cleaning. Do your clothes take forever to dry? Is your dryer constantly overheating, flashing error codes, or straight up breaking down over and over and over? Maybe your dryer's just not working like it used to. Is the worry of a disaster in your laundry room freaking you out? Are you screaming to yourself, there's gotta be a better way? Well, there is, and it's professional dryer vent cleaning. So stop wasting your time and energy. Stop waiting around all day for your fabrics to dry. Stop losing sleep and say goodbye to worrying about safety in your laundry room. Your local fire department recommends cleaning and inspecting your dryer every year as part of your annual home maintenance. While this does not necessarily mean a professional dryer vent cleaning every year, we highly recommend a full comprehensive service every 1 to 3 years. Professional dryer vent cleaning increases airflow, allowing fresh air to flow through your dryer, reduces dry times by drying your fabrics faster, lowers utility bills by consuming less energy, extends the lifetime of your appliance by reducing wear and tear, ensures everything is operating safely and efficiently, which will give you the peace of mind knowing that everything has been cleaned and inspected by an expert. But not all services are the same. Don't be fooled by imposters. Fly-by-night budget services like Joe Schmo's Blow and Go and the Also Does Vents crew, many of our competitors have little to no training at all. They rush jobs, they cut corners, and they leave jobs half done. I've spent more than 7 years training with some of the best and oldest experts in the industry. And at Dad's Dryer Vent Cleaning, we've been refining our process for more than 15 years. We use nothing but the best and most powerful equipment that is not sold in stores. And with Dad's Dryer Vent Cleaning, there's no worrying about sketchy crews. So don't waste all day searching for the cheapest price in town just to start worrying about who you're actually inviting into your home. Our experienced technicians love what they do, and it shows. They get the satisfaction of knowing that the work that they do helps real families in the community every single day. They earn top wages and are given more time to complete projects, ensuring each job gets done right the first time. We got shoe covers, we got drop cloths, we got gloves, we got face masks, and we got the tools and techniques. We clean the dryer from the front and the back. We clean the ducting from the inside and the outside. We pull the dryers out, we disconnect and clean the hoses, we use power brushes and powerful air compressors. We clean everything up and reseal all the connections. We verify our results with airflow pressure testing. We include before and after photos with every project, electronic invoicing, and secure digital payment. We are not satisfied until we deliver on Dad's Dryer Vent Cleaning's promise to provide the highest quality results and the best customer service in the industry each and every time, to each and every one of our clients. So schedule your service today and our team will turbo boost your appliance and get everything running back to peak performance. Stack washer dryer? No problem. We have the tools and techniques to pull these units out and put them back without damaging the floors in your home. Roof, ladder, attic access required? No problem. We always come equipped for every job. Many of our competitors won't even go up on ladders on roofs or into attics to ensure that they are doing a quality job. Lost one of those cheap do-it-yourself brushes down there? No problem. We have specialized equipment to recover lost or broken tools from the ducting in your home. Birds' nests? No problem. We have the tools and experience to remove any nests, pests, or blockages from your ductwork, guaranteed. So drop whatever you're doing right now and schedule your comprehensive service today. Call 387-DADS and our office will help you find the perfect day and time for your service. Or you can schedule online at Dad'sDryerVentCleaning.com. Our 5-step, 4-minute online booking is as easy as 3, 2, 1. First step, select your service. 2, Select any additional fees that may apply. 3. Pick a day and time. And D. Enter some basic contact information. And boom, you're done. It really is that simple. You'll receive an email confirmation, and our system does not even require a credit card. But we're not done yet. If you book online in the next 6 or 7 days, you'll instantly save $25 off our regular minimum service charge. But wait, there's more. That's right, we'll double the offer. If you and a neighbor book consecutively on the same day, we'll slash off another 25 Smackeroos. That's 50 big ones each. What would you do with all that hard-earned dough? So call 387-DADS now. Our operators are standing by. That's 778-387-3237. Or head on over to Dad'sDryerVentCleaning.com. We've already helped more than 3,500 families and businesses. To save time, save money, and stay safe. We have more than 300 5-star reviews on Google. We're fully covered by WorkSafe BC. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and we are fully licensed and insured. So one more time, that's Dad'sDryerVentCleaning.com. Proudly serving Greater Vancouver, the Lower Mainland, and the Fraser Valley since 2018.